morning, sir. This is Anjana from Triply Department of 201 roll number. Today I am going to give a video presentation about passive elements, basic concepts of RLC and their VI relationships. What are passive elements? Passive elements are fundamental components like electrical circuits that cannot generate energy on their own. Unlike active elements, passive elements can only consume, store, or release energy. They do not require an external power source to operate and cannot amplify signals. The three primary passive elements are resistor, inductor, and capacitors. These components form the building blocks of virtual all electrical and electronic circuits. Understanding the behavior and voltage current relationships is essential for current circuit analysis and design. Resistor. Definition and its properties. A resistor is a passive electrical component that opposes the flow of electric current. It converts electrical energy into heat through the process of resistance. Physical properties include material composition, tolerance rating, and power rating. Resistance are fundamental building blocks of all electronic circuits. What are the units of resistor? It is ohms. Resistor VI relationship. From the Ohm's law, the fundamental relation for resistors is defined by Ohm's law, that is V is equals to I into R, where V is equals to voltage, I is equals to current, and R is equals to resistance. This equation shows that voltage across a resistor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, and its linear behavior is the VI relationship of the ideal resistor is perfectly linear, passing through the origin. The key properties are slope of VI graph is R, and resistors despite power P is equals to I square R, and current voltage are in phase, no energy storage capability. These linear relationships make resistor predictable and essential in circuit analysis. What is inductor? An inductor. An inductor is a passive electrical component that stores energy in a magnetic field when electric current flows through it. It typically consists of a coil of wire wound around a core. When current changes through the inductor, it induces a voltage and opposes a change. Following Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. What is the unit? It's Henry. 1 Henry is defined as the inductance that produces 1 volt of electromotive force when the current changes at 1 ampere per second. Common values ranges from microhenries to millihenries in practical circuits. What is the VI relationship? The formula V is equals to L into di by dt, where V is equals to voltage across inductor, L is equals to inductance, and di by dt is equals to rate of change of current with respect to time. The voltage across an inductor is directly proportional to the rate of change of current flowing through it. What are the key concepts? Inductor opposes current flow. Constant current is equals to zero voltage. Rapid current change is equals to high voltage. Energy stored in magnetic field is equals to E is equals to 1 by 2 Li squared. Acts as short circuit to DC. Acts an open circuit to sudden changes. Capacitor. Definition of capacitor. And capacitor is a passive two-terminal electronic component that stores electrical energy in electrical field. It consists of two conductive plates separated by an insulating material called a dielectric. When voltage is applied, positive charges accumulate on one plate while negative charges gather on the opposite plate, creating an electric field that stores energy. What is the unit? It is farad. Capacitor is measured in farads named after physicist Michael Faraday. The real relationship of a capacitor is expressed as I of t is equals to C into dV by dt, where current is proportional to the rate of voltage change. 1 farad equals to 1 coulomb per volt. What is VL relationship? The formula. The voltage current relationship for a capacitor is expressed as I is equals to C into dV by dt. I is equals to current through capacitor and C is equals to capacitance. dV by dt is equals to rate of change of voltage with respect to time. And this equation shows that current flows only when voltage changes. Key concepts are: current is proportional to how fast voltage changes across a capacitor, and constant voltage is equals to zero current, and rapid voltage is equals to Raj current. Capacitors oppose sudden voltage changes. Energy stored in electric field between plates acts as open circuit to DC. Comparison. When we discuss about comparison, energy dissipation versus storage. Resistors dissipate electrical energy as heat. Energy is permanently lost from circuit. In constant contrast, inductor stores energy in magnetic field and capacitor stores in electrical field. They stored can be returned to the circuit making L and C reactive elements while R is purely dissipative. Time dependent versus instantaneous response. Resistors respond instantaneously. Voltage and current are always in phase. Inductors and capacitors exhibit time dependent behavior. Inductors opposes current changes while capacitors oppose voltage changes. This creates phase shifts between voltage and current. What are the key takeaways? Resistor VL relationship. The resistor exhibit a linear relationship governed by Ohm's law. Current flows instantaneously in response to voltage with no energy storage. Power is dissipated as heat, making resistors purely dissipative elements in the circuits. Inductor and capacitor relationship. Both are energy storing elements with differential relationships. But for inductors, V is equals to L into di by dt. Voltage depends on current rate of change. For capacitors, I is equals to C of dV into dV by dt. Current depends on voltage rate of changes. These relationships are fundamental to AC circuit analysis. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you, sir.